Now we will discuss about that what kind of mathematical operations that we can perform, operations on the signals. So you can perform various operations of these elementary signals, like you can do the time shifting. Time shifting means you can just move the function to the left side or to the right side. Then you can do the scaling of the function. A scaling means you can increase the amplitude of the function. That is called a scaling. You can do the reversal of the function, time reversal. Fourth one is amplitude scaling. Amplitude scaling. Then you can perform the signal addition. You can add two different signals, so you can perform the signal addition. And you can perform the signal multiplication. Signal multiplication. Like suppose if we have a signal x of t and I have another signal y of t, you can do the addition. You can do the addition of the signal, or you can do the multiplication of the signal. So this kind of operation you can perform, and you can do the shifting as we discussed. Reversal, time reversal means, like suppose if I am representing a signal, let it be this side. If I want to reverse, then the mirror image of the function is something like this way. This will be this side. So this is the time reversal. Just reverse the